Hi, this is Tablet Store UK and we're going to take a look around the 7-inch VIA tablet. Basically a budget device, but a neat little unit. I'll show you around the features. The outside's quite simple. We've got a power on button on the left edge here. On the top you've got buttons for menu and a volume rocker, volume up and down. On the right edge you've got your speakers and vents, micro SD card slot, connector, which I'll show you what that connects to in a moment, headphone socket and power. So the 30-pin connector can be used for one of two things. Either you can connect a standard Apple cable to the device, and this comes with the product as well, so you can connect that to the tablet and then you've got USB directly to your computer. But what the device also comes with is basically like a dock, a little expansion, which gives you an RJ45 LAN and two large USBs, so you can connect that to the device as well. And the front screen button is just a back button. So the interface they've put on this is I guess something to mimic the look of an Apple product. Let's just unlock. They've bundled lots of applications on here to get you going, but they're all installed on the data partition, so all of these applications can be removed if you want to clean up your system. But this product's basically designed for people looking for something off the shelf that will do things like ebook reading, web browsing, so on and so forth. So take a look through a couple of the apps for you. Just quickly take a look at video playback. Video playback will function on here. It's not going to play back HD video, but if videos are encoded for a mobile format, for a mobile phone, then they should play back quite happily on here. And the sound is acceptable from the internal speakers, although you probably want to use headphones.
Styles of Kung Fu. Monkey. Crane.
Don't tell Monkey.
Everybody was Jack Black.
Go ahead, Panda. Show us what you can do.
Okay, yeah, I just ate.
Basically what keeps this device ticking along most of the time is the fact that they've loaded this with 256 meg of RAM. So although the VIA CPU is quite a basic one, the device moves along quite neatly really. Again, you've got a fairly straightforward built-in music player which also supports lyrics. I'll just quickly show you that. Again, a reasonable built-in picture viewer application. Fairly straightforward. It's single touch, not multi-touch, but you've got all of the features that you would want there to share your photos with others and take a look around the device. You've also got a button on the taskbar to capture screen images as well. Because you've got no G-sensor built into the device, what they have got conveniently is a button up on the notification bar here to rotate the screen, and in some ways for a lot of applications that's actually a nicer way to work things, is that the screen won't automatically rotate when you don't want it to, and you can lock it to a particular aspect, and that way you can always have applications pointing the way you want to, particularly if you think about when you're reading a book, particularly if you're on holiday. Sometimes you might be laying down and you want to lock the rotation. Talking of book reading, this device comes with Aldico pre-installed as well as the Amazon Kindle app, so both of those will run on here. You can set the page orientation from within Audico as well as locking the screen orientation before you come into the app as well, so you can do that either way. As well as changing your font size and the colorings, etc., for those not already familiar with the Android ebook reader apps. Same with Kindle. You can sync your Kindle purchases down to the device. You've got a very basic built-in webcam. The picture quality is not amazing, admittedly, but you know, it's something that's there that you can have a little fun with. The device comes pre-installed with clients for MSN and for Skype, as well as the Documents to Go app, so you can open, view, edit and save Microsoft Office documents. Also got a YouTube client. Just take a quick look at YouTube video playback.
Johnny bit me.
You can browse and search and look through YouTube videos with the supplied client there. And take a quick look at web browsing. Page loading and moving around the pages is reasonable. And if you want to view in portrait, you simply press the button up there on the notification bar and it turns around the screen pretty quick. And that's pretty much it. The rest of Android is there for you to play with and add apps and change your home screen and edit things and make it as you like it. And that pretty much wraps it up, the VIA 7-inch Android tablet.